I have never ever been to a restaurant with this view. My sister thought this was a thunderstorm, but guys, this is the light. Tito's bar in Baga. Hated it. See you again.
But you guys बोलते हैं.
The weather in Goa at the moment is very unpredictable.
Just like you. You are the sunset.
I am not the sunset. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Pranjali Bose and you are watching a new vlog, a new travel series, and this time guess where we are? Goa! My mom and my brother, we are here. We've flown from Kolkata to Goa. My sister is traveling from Chennai to Goa at this point. Pretty sure she's not landed. Currently checked into this first hotel, that is Estrella do Mar. Let me give you a quick room tour. As we enter the room, we have this huge bed. This mirror right here, which is very important. Cute storage area where we also happen to have the fridge right here. This is kind of the balcony, and we have this basin right here. We have this entire space for closet right here where we can stack our things, and the most important part, that is the washroom. Pretty decent. We heard that it was raining till yesterday. It doesn't matter because when you're with your loved ones in a new trip, I think it really doesn't matter. Nothing else matters. I'm gonna try my best to show you guys everything, explore everything with you guys. So stay tuned. We are out of our hotel. Took us some time to get ready and stuff, but guess who is going to feature in this vlog from now onwards? Say hi! Hi Dodji. How are you?
I'm good. How are you?
How excited are you for the trip?
Very. But it's raining.
No, it's not raining.
Sort of.
But yes, so we've taken this car and now we're going to the Anjuna beach. Pretty sure we're not gonna get the sunset because it's pretty cloudy. And mom, কেমন লাগছে?
খুব ভালো.
Nothing much is planned of today, but a lot is coming up from tomorrow. So today is kind of the warm-up session or the warm-up day for the trip. Let's see, let's explore Kalamgute in general, and let me take you through it. Guys, the sunset, the one thing that was on my bucket list. I mean, sunset is, don't ruin the vibe, but oh my god, I mean, we did not wait even a minute after coming here because we had to get the shots and also look at the sunset, which is now pretty much not visible anymore. But yes, I'm happy because I am the sunset. I am the
You are the sunset.
I am not the sunset. I meant to say, what I meant to say was, I am that girl who's always clicking pictures of the sky and sunset and sunrises. So this was a treat to myself. Some shopping.
Traditional.
Getting anklets. Are we not getting the puri?
এখানে পারা করবে
No.
ভাই আমার পায়ে হচ্ছে না
Oh, nice. Some shrug shopping, clothes shopping in general for my mom. She wants crochet shrugs. I don't even know what I want, but yes, just trying to kill time honestly because not much to do today. Also a little tired. Probably will go to a restaurant after this for dinner and then call it a day. There is no music. There is no music. It is like, share, comment and subscribe.
আমার তো খুব স্মার্ট লাগছে
It's day 2 in Goa and today we are at Fountain House in Panjim. This is one place that I really wished to visit and now we are here. We're all wearing white as you can see and ready to explore day 2 in Goa. Let's go. So Panjim was on our bucket list for really long. Actually Goa itself was, right?
Yeah, it was actually. This is like a burst of colors, very pretty, and
That's why we all chose to wear
very
white
clean,
in the
actually.
first place.
Very clean.
It was raining, drizzling a bit, so that's why we thought we should like just run in to the cafe that was right like in front of us. What is this cafe called? Vito, what is this cafe called?
No, I didn't see the name.
We did not even see the name. But yes, menu card. Cafe Meular by Barista. Okay, that's nice.
Reference ke there is a well here. So when I was looking at the picture, he said that the well is behind you only. I said what?
Which is right
Yeah.
there.
It's true.
Hi. 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 কেমন লাগছে গোয়া? সুন্দর। পাঞ্জিম কেমন লাগছে এখন অবধি?
Very nice.
All that we have done till now is roam around Fountain House a little bit and click pictures in front of the colorful houses, which was on my bucket list for a long time. Plan for now is to just have a coffee or something and then again head towards exploring Panjim. Okay guys, they've just given us this plate of beetroot salad which they've introduced and they want us to review it. They said they want our feedback. Honest review. You love it? Out of the cafe and now we are on to our next destination. Not sure what the destination is. Pretty much just like hopping around the streets only because it is aesthetic AF. This is the exact church where Dilwale, the movie by Rohit Shetty, was shot, and a lot of other movies, as our chauffeur told us. That movies like Dilwale and all, pretty much majorly all the Rohit Shetty movies have been shot in front of this church apparently. Currently at the Kalangute market, where we are trying to shop for a few things, get a few souvenirs for our friends back in Kolkata, and yeah, let's see what we get. Bollo ma?
ये तरा
Mane?
এটার মতো
You guys, my mom and her Hindi,
And it's not
just
like,
amazing.
ये फूल की तरह है, ये कट करने की है. क्रोशे टाइप का बेसिकली. हाँ उस टाइप का. अभी तेरे क्या है ना? ये टाइप का नहीं है.
You guys, what is this sudden burst of sunlight? But you guys, I don't know if I should say it in my vlog, but
আচ্ছা ব্লগে কি চারবার করি বাট ইউ গাইস বলতে হয় নাকি
না বললেও চলে।
তো তুই বলছিস কেন
আমার অভ্যেস। I'm pretty sure I forgot to apply sunscreen today, so but এটা ফুল হাতা অনেকটা লম্বা।
ওইটাও ফুল হাতা, বিট্টু যেটা নিয়ে গেছে ওটাও ফুল হাতা।
তার ফুল হাতা কোথায়? লিটারালি দিদি পড়ে আছে ওটা।
এটা আরেকটা হ্যাঁ
Guys, please like, share, comment and subscribe to my mom. The weather in Goa at the moment is very unpredictable.
just like you
Sometimes it's raining, sometimes it's cloudy, windy, and sometimes this sheer glow, the unwanted sun glow, but it's there. So you never know what the weather is like. So I feel like I almost don't want to apply any makeup from tomorrow because if it's going to be this hot. But then again, not complaining because I'm in a vacation in Goa. To give a proof of what I said earlier, it's cloudy now, so unpredictable. You can look at the glow. I am at Thalassa Cliff, and what I'm going to show you is something that is my first time. I mean, I have never ever been to a restaurant with this view, but now I know why they say Goa is beautiful. So this is what I'm seeing.
ঠিক আছে
Too good.
There's nobody here. Look at how we are. Don't you think we are so perfect, we're in every way? I don't wanna feel everything that was meant to be faded. I don't wanna be your friend. I just wanna be your babe. I don't wanna fade away. Something happened sinking into a dam. Yeah, 네 눈엔 내가 있어. 아마는 널 사랑하고 있어. 귀가 아는 순간 두려워.
So basically my sister thought this was a thunderstorm, but guys, this is the light. For defense, it's suddenly raining cats and dogs, but everybody has shifted their seats, but I don't mind. I'm kind of still right here. We went
এটা মিউজিক বেটার
to the Tito's bar in Baga. Hated it. I mean, we did not even go inside because it was so creepy. But at this point, we have come to Purple Martini. There are two of the same bars, like right beside each other. So now, me and my sister, we are trying to find out. I mean, we dropped our mom at the hotel. We can hear the music. So yeah, that's what we're doing. suitcase all packed, but we are not ready to leave Goa yet because we are going to another hotel. We're going to check into another hotel, which is the Park Goa. And yes, the stay at Estrella Domar done and dusted. Now we head to the second hotel and doing our last minute checking. Just one thing, that it has been raining since morning. We actually planned on going to South Goa today, but I don't think it's going to happen today. We will plan accordingly. I mean, we're not sure what the weather is going to be like for the rest of the day, but we have not lost our hopes because checking into the second hotel. Bye bye guys. See you again. From one hotel mirror to another, we are at the Park Goa. We've actually come a little before time only. Our check-in time was around 2, but I think it's 12:30 or 1 right now. It's raining heavily and I don't know if we'll be able to do anything today. Kind of altered the plan a little bit. So basically probably we'll be going to the pool area and we'll be chilling mainly, explore the property, and in the evening or for brunch we may go out. Not really sure what we're gonna do as in plan wise, but yes. So let me give you a quick room tour. So as we enter, we have this really good lighting of the room, but I'm going to show it to you without these purple lights also. But look at the vibe, you guys. We have this storage space as well, not an almirah, but this particular space where we can store stuff. Little different setup. So what we have here is this little space for your self-care and everything. The basin right here, the necessities right here, and we have 2 departments. One department for you know what, and the second department for bathing in general. And I am absolutely loving this partition with this huge ass bed, seating space, a TV. How's the room? I love it. My mom is complaining about it because she has a different room where she does not have the purple light. But yes, Bitu, I'm going to go inside the washroom. I have to shampoo. Yes. So the plan for now is to get ready as soon as possible. It's 2:30 in the afternoon, and since we could not go to any sightseeing or anything, so we are planning to go to Tomatoes, I guess, which is very famous in Goa. It is in Morjim Beach, and we did not get to go to Morjim yesterday, so today we are going.
Should I bring you that black luggage?
Yes, please. Thanks. After Tomatoes, we will be going straight towards Thalassa, the OG Thalassa. So people who have been to Thalassa know the vibe already, but I haven't. So I am yet to explore. I've seen so many reels on Thalassa that I'm really excited about it. So let's go explore day 3 in Goa. Shit. What just happened? I don't know if I could record it. It's almost 12 a.m. at night. Guys, I don't think this was our day. We go to the Para Road where Dear Zindagi was shot.